Whether you're working from your new home office or on the front lines of our community, you know the struggle of balancing your job and your well-being. Children's book author Christine Platt felt this pressure even before the pandemic. So I met with her to share some easy meal solutions that work for her schedule. I think you'll find them helpful too. This is On Your Plate. Hey Christine.
Hey.
Welcome to the Giant Kitchen. This is my colleague Mandy, one of the nutritionists on the Giant team.
Nice to meet you.
Nice meeting you.
So Christine, I know as a busy professional, on the go, being stretched in a lot of different directions, what's on your plate?
I'm a full-time writer. I have a 16-year-old daughter, and some days are just absolutely crazy. So I find myself getting a lot of takeout. You know, when my daughter comes home from school, she may have to fend for herself with a frozen pizza, so definitely needs more balance.
Well, everything we're going to talk about is really something good that your daughter could do as well. And we're taking a spin on curry chicken. So you can actually use this ready-made tikka masala. You can use any kind of protein. I like to start with chicken tenders, but you can use chicken breasts. You can even use frozen chicken strips if you wanted to.
And it saves time as well. It's already cut for you.
So you pop those into the bottom of your crock pot. So next up, we'll add our sauce in. I'm a dietitian. I love veggies, so you can use whatever you like. I went with this more traditional broccoli, cauliflower, and carrots, because that's really what you often find in a tikka masala. So you just give it a quick little stir. You put the lid on. Dinner's ready in 4 hours on high, 6 on low.
I think I can do that.
We believe in you.
And of course, what's Indian food without naan?
Ah, my daughter loves naan.
I know, how about this, right? Now the piece de resistance.
And it was so simple. Like, I feel like I could do that while I'm waiting for my editor to get back to me.
Then, of course, you have to rip off the naan, put a little piece in the side, and guess what? There you go, Indian at home.
This is amazing.
Are you having trouble eating better while on the run? Here are a few little things that can make a giant impact. Cook once, eat twice. Make sure you have leftovers for another meal. Take time each week to review your schedule and make a plan. Lastly, treat yourself to a great water bottle, lunch bag, and food containers. Storage matters.
So we'll add our last piece of naan, and should we see if Nala likes our curry in a crock pot?
I think we should. Nala, I cooked.
Did you?
I did. Got it ready? Oh my God.
Yay!
That's amazing.
This is delicious. And you guys can make this together.
Or you can make it.
Even better.
Well, Nala and Christine, thank you for joining us. And thank you all for joining us for On Your Plate, and we look forward to seeing you next time.